Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to buy Solana meme coins and you're going to use your Moonpay to load up in Solana. So it's pretty simple. So the first thing you'll have to do is actually press the buy button right here. Press Solana and load up on Solana. So you can choose in dollar amounts or Solana amount. So here you can buy one Sol. So we are going to buy using Moonpay. So if you actually have the actual application for Moonpay, it would be better. So here we can exit this for a while because we're not going to use that, and we are going to use this as our address. So here we're going to copy it, so we're going to use that for later. So the first thing you'll have to do is buy right here, press Solana as your token, select the dollar amount or the Solana amount if you want to, press continue. From there, it's going to load up your payment method, and then here is where we have copied our address from Solana. So copy and then go back there, paste it right here, and then you will have your Solana delivered to that address or that wallet. Choose your payment method and it's gonna be this. Then pay with card. That's gonna redirect you to your provider. So you'll enter your Visa card number and your CVC and confirm and pay it basically. And basically that's how you buy the Solana. And then we're gonna swap it with meme coins. So swapping is just another thing. So here we'll press swap. All you have to do is have Solana on top. So let's say you have one Solana and then we want to trade it with a coin. So let's actually just look for a meme coin right here. Not financial advice. This is just a tutorial for you guys. So we grab the contact address or its CA as you have known. So you paste it right here. So you press the receive button and then swap it right here. So let's just say we have the $100, so it's 183. So yeah, one sol for that, and then it's gonna swap it right here for the token that you have chosen using Solana. And now you're gonna be able to swap the Solana and buy the meme coin. So here it says you have to actually buy Solana, which I don't have right now, but basically that's how you do it. And it's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.